Okay, I will tell you an important incident of interview. इंटरव्यू में कभी सीपीटी कोड एग्जैक्टली नहीं पूछे जाते हैं. But in one interview, interviewer asked, "Tell me in which specialty you work." Okay, from gastro. So tell me some CPT. Since you're working for long time, you should know some CPT. In another interview, they asked for shoulder arthroplasty. Where does the physician make the incision? In arthroscopy, they asked, "What is ACL reconstruction?" And explain how the physician does the procedure. Explain in rough. Hello, guys. Today, we're going to discuss the latest trends of surgery coding interviews. You know, times have changed. Nowadays, the quality of questions is completely different, tougher, and sometimes totally unexpected. Let me tell you one thing. In this video, I'm not going to list question answer. We will do this in other session. So don't ask, where's the PDF? Every comment, every DM, bas ek hi line. PDF de do, ma'am. So instead of questions answer, we will discuss new trend in surgery interview question. Trend 1. Scenario-based questions. The reason interview trends have changed is to avoid fake surgery coder. Anyone can remember common interview questions like, what is ATT? What is a flap? Explain the excision guideline. These are easy. Kahin se bhi mil jayega. But real problem starts when they ask you real scenarios. Wahin per difference dikh jata hai. People who only memorize, they fail quickly because they don't have practice. They don't have real surgery coding experience. And that's why scenario-based questions are the new trend. Scenario, such as, if physician is doing this, how will you code? If physician does not perform this, how will you report the services? So do some live chart to get aware of this. The second important trend is examples. Yes, examples. Earlier, interviewers used to ask simple things like, what is modifier 52? Bas direct answer de do. But now, things have changed. They are asking, can you give us an example of modifier 52? Where you will use modifier 52? And the same thing happens with other modifiers too. 59, 22, 53. अब उनको सबके लिए एग्जाम्पल चाहिए. So, even if you have good experience, be ready for these example type questions because they can ask. The next trend is something you really need to prepare for. They're asking too many questions now. Just 3 years back, your interview would finish after 8 to 10 questions. Simple. Seedhi baat, no bakwas. But today, interviewers literally bombard you with questions. Back to back, non-stop, and from every possible surgical series. CPT के urology से लेकर general surgery, ortho, gynae, everything. And I observed one important thing. Integumentary is the famous topic for them. So be mentally ready for that rapid fire session. Because trust me, they don't stop until they find your weak point. So that's all for today. Did you enjoy this video? अगर हाँ, तो कितना enjoy किया? Tell me. I actually want to know. And हाँ, you can give your feedback too if you want. मैं सुनूंगी. Promise. और एक बात, if you're going for cross training, तो please go through some live charts also, okay? It really helps you get aware of your procedures. Like, actually aware. So मेरा final advice है, focus on concept for better career growth.